And yes, I have one more talent which I want to tell you about that. That is dance. I love to do dance, and at any cost, at any time, I can do the dance. If I am sad, happy, or in a musty mood, or while in cooking also. And now the question will arise in your mind: how can anybody do dance while cooking? कहते हैं ना जब आपका दिल नाचता है तो सारी दुनिया नाचती है. So that's all. Then the music is going in my mind and now my heart is dancing. So now it's time to show my dancing moves to you all. So all are ready? So let's start. Thank you everyone.
Thank you so much. Also, I'd request everybody to keep appreciating each other with a lovely smile and, a digital applause at the end after everybody performs, because I'm sure everybody would also expect the same. So thank you, jury members. Akansha was 30 seconds past her scheduled time. So thank you, Akansha. Let's move forward to Sonu. Hi, Sonu.
Hi, ma'am. A very good morning to all respected jury and my fellow contestants. Hello, my name is Sonu Khoshia from Mahendragarh, Haryana. I am 22 and I am pursuing my degree from Indira Gandhi University. I love dancing, listening music and some crafting work, and I'm here because I want to become model and want to do something for me. I was prepared dance. Can I show you?
आपको परमिशन लेने की
Hello, ma'am.
Oh, you can proceed.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Jury members.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sonu was 20 seconds past. Also, I'd request Neha because it fluctuates the speaker view to the person whose mic is not on mute. Thank you. Also, ladies, you do not have to seek permission to start showcasing your talent. These 90 seconds are completely yours, so you have complete freedom to do, and go about the way you wish to. So let's move forward and hear from Rishika. Hi, Rishika.
Hi, ma'am. Ma'am, just wait. I'll just adjust my camera first.
Okay, so are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rishika Mistry, and I am the participant for Miss India at Forever Star India Awards 2021. First, I'll begin with the presentation. We all have heard this phrase where they say, your look, your outfit, or your body language signifies your personality. Well, today, my outfit is inspired from the uniform of fighter pilots at Indian Air Force. The color is olive, which helps them to combat during combat situations. Metaphorically, I also believe that sometimes we need to get camouflaged during certain phase in our lives where we can make our move in silence, yet with precision. I admire their on-command look with their hairs tied, their Ray-Bans, and their straight as an arrow body posture. I did not copy their badges which they have earned. Instead, I have accessorized my outfit with this brooch, as you can see. It is carved from a wood in a form of an aircraft, which I really love it. I try to admire this and I try to even make these things impact in our life because it somehow let others know that I deserve their attention and I must be listened. Thank you. So I can show you my look. This is the aviators. And this is how I have dressed myself. As you can see, it's all olive. And I have highlighted my eyes a bit. I have put some light makeup with some watch. And here I am. So thank you so much. And thank you Forever Star for giving me this chance. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Rishika. Thank you so much, jury members. Rishika was 20 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, let's hear it from Bhavya. Hi, Bhavya.
Hello, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. Thank you for giving this opportunity to sorry, ma'am. Sorry. Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Bhavya Gaur and I am 22 years old. I am from Rajasthan and I am currently studying in Kanpur and my hobbies are dancing, music and singing. Ma'am, can I show my dance?
Yes, yes.
मैम सब मैच हो गया आज। मैम कुछ अर्ज किया है। एक गलती तो हर रोज करते हैं हम, जो नहीं मिलता उसी पे मरते हैं हम। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Bhavya. Thank you. And kudos to you for trying over again. I'm sure it's
Yes, ma'am.
Later. So thank you. And jury members, Bhavya was 20 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, the sequence from here on would be Sushmita, Varsha, Neha Singh, Jyoti, and Kiran. So let's hear it from Sushmita.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. नमस्ते, मैं सुष्मिता हूँ और मेरा एज 24 और मैं नोदिया से 2019 में ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट किया। फिर मेरा प्रोफेशन है, मैं डांस टीचर और आर्ट डेकोरेशन बिजनेस को मैनेजमेंट करती हूँ। बट आई एम टू बी एक्ट्रेस, मुझे एक्ट्रेस होना है, इसलिए मुझे अच्छे से प्लेटफॉर्म और अच्छे से जॉब चाहिए और वो मुझे मिल गया। रिसेंटली मुझे एक न्यू जॉब मिला फ्लिपकार्ट कंपनी से। इतना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म, सो आई एम सो हैप्पी, सो एक्साइटेड। थैंक यू MSI team, थैंक यू everyone.
Thank you, Sushmita. Thank you so much.
Sorry ma'am, please ma'am, sorry.
Have you completed, Sushmita?
No ma'am, I think मेरा ऑडियो इस थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम कर रही है इसलिए।
नहीं, हमें ऑडियो सुनाई दी।
मैम अगर इतना था सॉरी मैम, जितना था उतना नहीं हो पाया, थोड़ा सा कट गया, इसलिए मुझे समझ नहीं आया।
So it's okay. I think we shall proceed, but the audio is pretty clear to us. So, should I
मैम
proceed?
क्या ट्राई कर सकती हूँ मैं?
Please take your time. आपने 2 chances already ले लिए हैं।
एक्चुअली मैम थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम कर रही है इसलिए। ओके मैम।
Okay, thank you so much, Sushmita. Thank you. Was 1 minute past her scheduled time. So moving forward, let's hear it from Varsha. Hi, Varsha. Varsha, can you hear me? Can you please unmute yourself? All right, moving forward, let's hear it from Neha Singh. Hi, Neha.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, all the jury members and all the beautiful ladies. मेरा नाम है नेहा सिंह, मैं दिल्ली से हूँ, 30 years की हूँ और I'm a postgraduate from Hindi honors and I'm working in a public sector and in an optical company since last 4 years and फिलहाल मैं एक चीज़ को बहुत एडमायर करती हूँ कि हम एक ऐसी कम्युनिटी में रहते हैं जहाँ पे नॉट ओनली गर्ल्स बल्कि सभी को उनके वेट, उनकी हाइट, उनके बॉडी पोस्चर्स या उनकी फिगर्स या कलर से ना बहुत आंका जाता है। तो मेरा मानना ये है कि टैलेंट के आगे कभी भी आपकी फिगर, आपका कलर, आपकी नॉलेज या आपका आउटफिट मैटर नहीं करता। व्हेन यू हैव अ टैलेंट यू कैन अचीव योर गोल और उस चीज़ को करने के लिए आपको सिर्फ अपना मेंटली प्रिपेयर होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो डू नॉट थिंक एनीवन कि हाँ लोग क्या कहेंगे, क्या सोचेंगे आपके बारे में। वो करो जो हमें दिल का मतलब हमारा मन करता है, हमें इस चीज़ में खुशी मिलती है। तो मैं उसी पे बिलीव करती हूँ और वही करती हूँ हमेशा। तो आज मतलब अगर मैं अपने बारे में बताऊँ कुछ, मुझे हर वो चीज करना पसंद है जिससे मुझे खुशी मिलती है. आई लव डांसिंग, आई लव सिंगिंग, आई लव ट्रैवलिंग, आई लव कुकिंग, एवरीथिंग. और सेम मैं वो चीजें करती हूँ जिससे मुझे लगता है कि मेरे कुछ करने से अगर लोगों को खुशी मिलती है तो उससे ज्यादा कुछ अच्छा नहीं हो सकता. तो हमेशा वो करें जिससे आपके फेस पर स्माइल आए और आप दूसरों के फेस पर स्माइल ला सकें. और आज मैंने जैसे सॉन्ग प्रिपेयर किया है तो मैं वो आपके सामने प्रेजेंट करना चाहूंगी. आई डोंट थिंक सो कि मेरी आवाज बहुत अच्छी है, बट आई विल ट्राई. यार ना हो तो जिंदगी क्या है, यार ना हो तो बंदगी क्या है, यार ना हो तो जिंदगी क्या है, यार ना हो तो ओ बंदगी क्या है. तुझसे ही हर खुशी है, तेरे दम से आशिकी है, जान ले मिल जाए हम तो सब कुछ सही है. तेरे तरह क्यों है अजनबी, हमसे तुम है, तुमसे हम हो, तुम में हम है, हम में तुम हो. किस्मतों से मिलते हैं दो दिल यहाँ, हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में, प्यार जिंदगी में. खुशनसीब है हम जिनको है मिली ये बहार जिंदगी में, हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Neha. Thank you so much. Jury members, Neha was 1 minute 45 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, let's hear it from Jyoti. Hi, Jyoti. Your voice is not audible.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, it's better now.
I guess I need to
Okay.
go. So I would like to greet everyone with a namaste. I hope everyone is doing fine. My name is Jyoti Mishra. As you all know, I stay in Kolkata, although I was born in Prayagraj, which was back then Allahabad, and I am not working anywhere right now. I'm just an online tutor. I love to teach and I love to gather information, knowledge from wherever I can. And as you must be seeing from my background, that's in India's map on my background, which I use to teach my students. I'm very much passionate about teaching, and at the same time, I love to keep myself happy. Whoever I meet, I try to keep them happy, smiling, and that's the reason why I keep on making funny videos and sharing with my people, my friends, and everyone, and they appreciate me a lot. So moving on to the talent part, although I enjoy dancing, but today what I'm going to move forward with is singing. So let me start. Give me a second. जाओ जाए कैसे करूं मेरी तरफ आता हर गम फिसल जाए आँखों में तुमको भरूं बिन बोले बातें तुमसे करूं अगर तुम साथ हो अगर तुम साथ हो. Thank you. That is all.
Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you so much. I would really suggest to check your audio settings because बीच में आपकी आवाज एकदम silent हो रही थी for future. So 30 seconds, Jyoti was past the scheduled time, 30 seconds, do you remember? And let's hear it from Kiran. Post Kiran, the sequence would be Akanksha Chaturvedi, Sophia, Neha Parekh, Manisha, Khushi, and Kamini. So hi Kiran,
हेलो मैम, नमस्ते.
आप अपना वीडियो ऑन कर लीजिए प्लीज.
यस मैम.
या, अभी रेडी?
यस मैम. नमस्ते मेरे तरफ से सबको. मेरा नाम किरण पटनायक है. मैं अपना ग्रेजुएशन रमादेवी यूनिवर्सिटी भुवनेश्वर से कर रही हूँ. मैं यहाँ पे उड़ीसा अपने फैमिली के साथ रह रही हूँ. मेरे हॉबीज सिंगिंग है. मुझे आर्ट, पेंट, क्राफ्ट्स करना बहुत पसंद है. बेसिकली वॉलंटियरिंग मेरा सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट है अपने लाइफ का, कि कहीं पे भी कुछ ओकेजन हो या फिर प्रोग्राम्स हो, कि जो भी हो, मुझे वॉलंटियरिंग करना बहुत पसंद है उसमें. और फिलहाल तो मैं अभी, मेरा जो सबसे फेवरेट गाना है मैं आपके सबके सामने गाना चाहती हूँ, जो कि मुझे और मेरे फैमिली को भी बहुत पसंद है. आई होप सबको ये पसंद आएगा. सो लेट्स बिगिन. लग जा गले कि फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो. लग जा गले से हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से. जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से, फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो. लग जा गले से पास आए कि हम नहीं आएंगे बार बार. बाहें गले में डाल के हम रोले ज़ार ज़ार, आँखों से फिर ये प्यार की बरसात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो. लग जा गले से. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Kiran. Jury members, Kiran was 1 minute 10 seconds past her scheduled time. So next we have Akanksha Chaturvedi. Also, please note the Akanksha that appeared earlier was Akanksha Oberoi, and this one is Akanksha.
नमस्ते एवरीवन. दिस इज आकांक्षा चतुर्वेदी फ्रॉम ग्वालियर, मध्य प्रदेश. हिंदुस्तान का दिल, जैसा आप जानते ही होंगे. मैं एमएससी कर रही हूँ आईटीएम यूनिवर्सिटी ग्वालियर से, एंड अलोंग विद दैट आई एम आल्सो डूइंग अ पार्ट टाइम जॉब एज एन एकेडमिक काउंसलर इन रैंकर्स एकेडमी. एंड माय पैशन इज लाइक डू क्रिएटिव थिंग्स, लर्न एज मच एज आई कैन. एंड मेरा जो मेन मोटिव है इस कंपटीशन में लेने का, टू ब्रेक माय ओन बाउंड्रीज एंड टू बिकम अ बेटर वर्जन ऑफ माई सेल्फ. मैंने 2 साल पहले भी सोचा था कि मैं पार्टिसिपेट करूं, बट जस्ट मैं अपनी एक बाउंड्रीज में, वो जो होता है कि मैं अपने एंजाइटी इश्यूज से आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रही थी, बट फॉर्चुनेटली आई हैव took the step and I participated here. So my talent is to paint, and I have made this, as you can see here, it's a combination of mandalas and Madhubai art. As you can see here, Gautam Buddha, this black and white thing, it's of mandalas art, and I've made a combination of mandalas and Madhubai art. So can you see clearly? Thank you.
Thank you, Akanksha. Thank you so much. So next we have Sophia. Hi, Sophia.
Hi, a very good evening, Harry ma'am and Kriti ma'am.
Are we ready?
Is out there. Hello.
Yeah, we can
Hello.
hear you. Are we ready?
Yeah, a very good evening all of you. I'm ready. And firstly, I'd like to thank FCR 2021 for giving all of us a lovely platform, for showcasing our talents and discovering ourselves from a newer self and from a different horizon. Now, let me introduce myself. I'm Sophia, as all of us know. By now, I'm 28 years old. I did my schooling from Delhi Public School, Mathura Road. And in qualification, I'm an engineer and an MBA in marketing in studies. And my hobbies include, I love, if I talk about food, I would definitely exceed 90 seconds or 90 minutes for that matter. So I love experimenting with food, and it has always been with me. I love dancing. I know Afro, jazz, I know freestyle, I know belly dancing. It's my hobby. I can dance anytime and anywhere. And but to take my hobby a little forward, I would want to tell you that I am into the business of restaurants and hospitality. So they say that we should be our work or our even if we are doing a job or we are self-employed, it should be such that we should not be taking a vacation, because our work should be our vacation. We should love it that much. So it is. I want to showcase my talent only in then that field only. That just a second. I'm really sorry about that. So I could have had danced here, but I think I could not show all the dance forms in 90 seconds. So I would want to showcase a few pictures, because in the last training session, Harry ma'am suggested that we could show the pictures if we could not literally three-dimensionally show our talent that way. So I would want to take all of you through my pictures and the thing I'm passionate about, and which definitely is my talent, one of my biggest talents. So I got my first award. So this was because of the Times Nightlife and Food Awards. It is for my restaurant, and I am into this business since 8 years now, and all throughout the 8 years we've been getting awards for that. So I have suggested from everything from the scratch, because they say when you hold a business, you have to do everything from the scratch. There is no predefined set of rules you have to do in there. So taking the dishes on the menu, what will be rolling or what would be not. This is in Mumbai. So I even got a compliment from the CM of Mumbai for designing all this. This is my picture in here. This is the bar which I have designed myself, all the furniture out there. These are the awards from the next year. And there are a lot of videos also, which definitely I cannot come up with in 90 seconds. So these people, these are celebrities, they facilitated the awards. These are the news clippings in the newspaper. Page 3, Neha Bhasin. This is one with my dad and my chef. This is with Katrina. She was also there to facilitate us. Katrina Kaif. This is another clipping from the newspaper. So on and so forth. This is with my mom. So I think the biggest talent which I could have come up with here right now is to talk about my work only. And I'm right now I was also working. Sorry about that, but yes, and I can also sing and dance for that matter. But I think that's it for now. And lovely talking to you all. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, Sophia. Jury member Sophia was 2 minutes past her scheduled time. So moving forward, let's hear from Neha Parekh. Also, the earlier Neha was Neha Singh, and this one is Neha Parekh. So hi, Neha. Please अपने आप को unmute कर लीजिए. Also, Sushmita Das, can you please mute yourself, because आपका mic on है and it fluctuates the speaker view when the person is speaking. So please.
Yeah. Am I audible, Ali?
Yes, Neha, you are audible. Are we ready?
Yeah. So good evening, jury members. Good evening, all participants. This is Neha. I belongs to Indore. Currently, I'm working as a senior software engineer in an IT company. And why I'm here, like, I think we should not limit ourselves, although we should put a boundary around ourselves as a girl or as an individual, but we should not limit ourselves. We should every time is a learning. We should not waste our time. We should enhance our skills, enhance our talent, and we need to like enhance a thing like what we are capable of doing, how we should explore ourselves. So this is why I'm here. I want to enhance my skills, talent, and even I want to see like how I'm capable of doing, what are the things, and what I can do. So to all the girls, I have chosen this song. I have more so my hobbies are singing, dancing, but right now I prepared a song for all the girls. Hope you like it. So I'm starting to speak. किरणों के दिल के अंबर से चल के अंगना में फिर आ जाती। हमने तुझ पे हजारों सितम है कि हमने तुझ पे जहां भर की जुल्म है कि हमने सोचा नहीं तू जोड़ जाएगी ये ज़मीं तेरी भी सुनी रह जाएगी। किसके दम पे चलेगा मेरा उड़ी चिड़िया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जाए। Thank you everyone. Hope you guys like it.
Thank you, Neha. Jury members, Neha was 1.5 minutes past her scheduled time. So next we have Ruchi. Hi, Ruchi. Post Ruchi, the sequence would be Manisha, Khushi, Kamini, Vasundhara, Anshu, and Neetu. Are we
Hello,
ready?
ma'am. Yeah. सफर की हद है वहां तक कि कुछ निशान रहे, चले चलो कि जहां तक ये आसमान रहे, ये क्या उठाए कदम कि आ गई मंजिल, ये क्या उठाए कदम कि आ गई मंजिल, मजा तो तब है जब पैरों में कुछ थकान रहे। चांद तारों के साथ वो रात पहली न थी, चांद तारों के साथ वो रात पहली सी न थी, कह दो उसे जाके उसके यादों के हुजूम की रात पहली न थी। हम वही हैं जहां रुके थे साथ में, उसके आगे चले जाने की वो आदत पहली न थी। चांद तारों के साथ वो रात पहली न थी। किस्से सुने थे किताबों में बहुत, हकीकत हो जाने की रात पहली न थी। तन्हाइयां सुनी थी बहुत, तन्हाइयां सुनी थी बहुत, महसूस हो जाने की रात पहली न थी। दिल की धड़कन बन जाने की रात पहली न थी। चांद तारों के साथ वो रात पहली न थी। तू नहीं तो जिंदगी अब रंगीन कहाँ, तू नहीं तो जिंदगी अब रंगीन कहाँ, फूल थे पर खुशबू अब पहली सी न थी। दिन गुजर गया, दिन गुजर गया, इंतजार की वो शाम पहली न थी। चांद तारों के साथ वो रात पहली न थी। एक और लिखी है, कुछ लिख दूं ऐसा कि वो बदनाम न हो, कुछ लिख दूं ऐसा कि वो बदनाम न हो, उसकी गलियों में जाऊं और उसका नाम न हो, देख के उसको झुका लूंगा पलकें, उससे प्यार तो हो पर उस पे प्यार का इल्जाम ना हो। मोहब्बत अधूरी है हमारी तो कोई बात नहीं, प्यार मुकम्मल हुआ इस पे भी कोई गुमान ना हो। बिता लूंगा पूरी रात चांद के साथ अब मैं, बिता लूंगा पूरी रात चांद के साथ अब मैं, रात अकेली थी मेरी उसके साथ, उस पे ये इल्जाम ना हो। यकीनन जब साथ था तू तो मैं कुछ और ही था खुद में, यकीनन जब साथ था तू तो कुछ और ही था मैं खुद में। अब तो परछाई की भी मुझसे पहचान मुश्किल ना हो। रात में बैठा हूं जब से अकेले में, रात में बैठा हूं जब अकेले में कभी, तो तेरे यादों का सहारा कैसे साथ ना हो। लिख दूं ऐसा कि वो बदनाम ना हो, उसकी गलियों में जाऊं और उसका नाम ना हो। हेलो मैम, मेरा नाम रुचि मौर्य है। मैं उत्तराखंड की रहने वाली हूँ और मैं फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट में काम करती हूँ और मैं एफसीआ का बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि जिसने मुझे ये मौका दिया अपने टैलेंट को दिखाने का, अपने आप को परफॉर्म करने का। जो सपना बहुत पहले कहीं रह गया था, लेकिन अब आंखें खुल खुल गई हैं और ये मौका मिला है अपने आप को दिखाने का। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Ruchi. Jury members, Ruchi was 1 minute 25 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, we have Manisha. Hi, Manisha.
Hello, ma'am. Now I am starting.
Yeah.
My name is Manisha Kumari, and I am from Lucknow, UP. And currently, I am pursuing BTech in Civil branch. And I love to do the sketching and drawing. And I have got a certificate of Picasso. This is my certificate from in the drawing competition. And this is my mandala art that I have to do. This is it. And this is my sketching. And I love to write some poems, and one of my poem is shown by Google. And the poem is, this is the poem that the Google in the Google it was shown. And I'm choosing this platform because it improves me and make myself self a better version. And my dream is to win the crown. And thank you.
Thank you, Manisha. Thank you so much. So next we have Khushi. Hi, Khushi. I think Khushi has lost connection. So moving forward, we have Kamini. Hi, Kamini.
Hi, Harry.
Hi, are we ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. अनदेखी अटखेली पर अलबेली हूँ, कहने को कुछ नहीं बस खुद की सहेली हूँ। नमस्कार, मैं कामिनी सिंह, प्रकृति से भरपूर अपने धर्मस्थली कालीन एवं ब्रासवेयर इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए जगत मशहूर शहर मिर्जापुर से 21 की बाली में हूँ आईटी कानपुर शोध की छात्रा। ग्रीन क्लीन एनर्जी का शोध मेरा है प्रकृति से सीधा वास्ता। नृत्य शास्त्र योगवाद मुझको खूब भाता है, आत्मदर्पण का ज्ञान सदा ही अपनी ओर खींच लाता है। हर कर हो स्वावलंबन कर कलम का, ऐसा है रोष मेरा, पर दीक्षा कुछ ऐसा है जोश मेरा। पढ़े चुन्नी पढ़े समाज को पढ़ाना है, कागज वाली वो डिग्री नहीं पर आत्मज्ञान का मशाल जलाना है। बनेगी चुन्नी इंजीनियर बन्नू डॉक्टर, ख्वाब पलकों में होंगे और वो ढूंढ लेगा मंजर। इस साख को बुलंदी के परवान चढ़ाना है, एफसीआ के इस प्लेटफॉर्म से अपनी आवाज को नाद बनाना है। आसमां आए सबके हक बराबर, ऐसा है आगाज मेरा, ऐसा संविधान बनाना है। मैं तुम का नहीं हम का परिधान बनाना है। अनदेखी अटकेली पर अलबेली हूँ, कहने को कुछ नहीं बस खुद की सहेली हूँ। धन्यवाद। ये था मेरा परिचय जिसमें था मेरे कला का भी संचय।
Thank you, Kamini. Thank you so much. So moving forward, let's hear it from Vasundhara. Hi, Vasundhara.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Are we ready?
Yeah. Good afternoon, respected guests and all dear friends. Myself, Dr. Vasundhara Magrodia. I belong MP Shadapur district. My qualifications MSc PhD in chemistry from Jaipur. My hobbies are music, book reading, traveling, cooking, and dancing. Today I will perform dance. I hope you like it. Everyone start.
Thank you, Vasundhara. Thank you so much. Simridha and Vasundhara, kindly mute yourself so that it's easier for me to proceed. And moving forward, Simridha, can you please put yourself on mute? Apna mic off kar dijiye. Thank you. So next we have Anshu. Hi, Anshu.
Hi, Harry.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Hello, everyone. I am Anshu Srivastav from City Lucknow. By profession, I am a software developer. About me, I love dancing. Besides that, I like doing acting and modeling as well. I'm also a YouTuber where I create videos of my dance and the day-to-day things that I usually create in my daily life. I strongly believe that when you change the way you look at things, the things will automatically change. So this has always helped me to achieve my target till date, from performing well in academics to now pursuing my passion. I've always given my best everywhere. So now here I am with all the experiences, inspired by every event that has happened in my life to become Mrs. Forever India 2021. So now I would like to show you my dance as a part of my talent. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, Anshu. Thank you so much. So next we have Neetu. Hi, Neetu.
Hello. Hi, Harry. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. So my name is Neetu Bhardwaj and I'm from Palwal, Haryana. I was a housewife till 2020 and then I'm running a resort in Palwal, Haryana only. So I'm married to a wonderful human being for past 14 years and I'm mother of 3 beautiful children. And my husband is a foodie, so I love to cook for him. And that is why we are made for each other, because he loves to eat and I love to cook. So today it is a virtual platform. Otherwise, I would have loved to cook and make you people taste what I do. So my hobbies are cooking, then singing. I love to travel, I love to read books, and I love to socialize and interact with people. So I'm showing few photographs of my culinary skills to you all. So this is the cake I have made for my daughter on her 5th birthday. This is the cake. This is sambar vada. This is dalgona coffee. This is gunjia, the delicacy of Indian sweets. This is donuts. This is hot and sour soup. These are til ke laddus. This is honey chili potato. This is chili paneer. This is fritters. This is khandvi. This is sattu ka paratha. And this is ghevar. I made it myself. These are the burfis. This is samosa. This is dhokla. This is another cake which I made for my daughter, the elder one. This is focaccia bread, an Italian recipe. So this is all I wanted to show, and I want to sing a very small, very little song also. आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, तुम ही सोचो जरा क्यों न रोके तुम्हें, जान जाती है जब उठ के जाते हो तुम, जान जाती है जब उठ के जाते हो तुम, तुमको अपनी कसम जाने जा, बात इतनी मेरी मान लो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो. Thank you so much, and thank you FCA for bringing this beautiful platform for all the women from all the spheres of life. Thank you so much for widening our horizons. Thank you.
Thank you, Neetu. Thank you so much. And also, I'm already hungry, so it's going to be very difficult to focus.
Yes, I would love to feed you someday. Yeah.
So, jury members, Neetu was 2 minutes past her scheduled time. So, moving forward, let's hear it from Jhansi. Hi, Jhansi. Neetu, I'd request you to mute yourself. Thank you. So,
yeah, hi, Hari.
Yeah, are we ready?
Yes, we are ready. So, hi, I am Jhansi Nirmala from Tamil Nadu. I'm currently residing in Chennai. So I would love to offer first, like these are from my plants. So these are my daisy flowers. And this one is methi, I think fenugreek seeds you all would have using in cookings, right? So that particular spinach it is. So whenever we meet for the finale in FSIA round, right? So I would love to cook this thing and I'll bring for all of you. So anytime if you want, I can harvest this. I just harvested it some before the meeting, some 5 minutes back. So every week I used to do things. So I love to do planting and all. I already got awards and all in my office. So I'm working as a IT engineer in a multinational corporation. And also I'm 27 years old. So I'm so excited to participate this particular thing. So because I'm enhancing my personalities and my internal skills, like what I am worth for and all. So I believe in the quote like, girl should always know who is she and what she wants. So I'm working on like what I want to do. So the world will come to know who I'm like that. So now I love to do like, I love to organize shows and host shows. So some sample I want to show you now. So, hi, hello everyone. Welcome, namaste. So, you are welcome. I am welcoming you all to my show, Tea with Janu. So, first of all, trending is always, the word. It does not a word. It's always a brand. So it either can be a national level, either can be a global level. So today's trending topic, today's trending theme is FSIAT. So what they do, so I'm welcoming all them to my interview today's like with my tea time. So Harry Hausa and Kirti Chaudhary and Chitra. So I would like to ask like few important or maybe like basic introduction questions, like how did this happen? How you are guys are like, daily with the full force, like with the full motivation, you are encouraging the every audio, like every girls in the batches and every things like you're doing it. I like yesterday have joined the meeting and I was like so grateful that immediately one by one schedule things you are doing, right? I'm so excited. So how this all goes, like I love to hear the answers from you. Yeah, so this is my hosting capability. Like I love to do the hosting things. And the next thing is one small scene. Like I love to act also with multiple personality. So in this scene, a daughter and mummy is there. So daughter bought a new mask. So daughter is wearing now new mask. Mummy, I bought a new mask. Can you see my new mask? So daughter is, hey, mummy, how much is that mask? I could not see that. What it is? Some black designs. Mummy, this is 990 rupees. What? Mask is 990 rupees. Go and see outside. I bought this for 5 rupees. This is medical mask and doctor is giving this mask. What are you telling? You are buying for 990 rupees, wasting money. These girls are not at all thinking about it. Mummy, safety is important. What you will do? Even after wearing this cloth mask, you have to wear this as a double mask, right? Then only the safety will be there. Go buy the medical mask first. Then you will think about the designs. So that's all my things. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity.
Thank you so much, Jhansi. And jury members, Jhansi was 2 minutes past her scheduled time. So moving forward, we have Pranali, and post Pranali, the sequence would be Varsha, Shrija, Ankita, Shweta, and Pratima Sonam. So hi, Pranali. We can't hear you.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, yeah. Are we ready?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Pranali Umre. I am from Usmanabad, Maharashtra. I am 21 and I am pursuing my degree in B Pharmacy. And I am also working with Pharmacy Kruti Samiti, Maharashtra. My hobbies are modeling, acting, painting, cooking, dancing, and making rangoli. I always like to learn something new for making myself multi-talented. Here are some of my paintings. For talent round first, I made modak, which is famous dish in Maharashtra, and this is Lord Ganesha's favorite dish and rightly mine too. And I prepared a small act of my acting. नहीं समझ आया बहुत खटियाल करके हो हमारे का रिश्ता बेच के अगली बार थाने में कंप्लेन करेंगे पुलिस स्टेशन के रूम में सीधा अंदर हो जाओ ये बात के भीतर में घुसा कर थैंक यू मैम
Was your video stuck for everybody or was it just me? Okay. So thank you.
Sorry to interrupt, Harry. It was stuck for everybody, I think.
Okay. Thank you, Ankita. So, all right, moving forward, Pranali, please check your video settings or network settings for the next time because it actually hampered the entire thing. So next we have Varsha. Hi, Varsha.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ जी, आपकी आवाज आ रही है. Are you ready now?
हेलो मैम, आई एम वर्षा, आई बिलोंग टू बिहार. मैं अपना परफॉर्मेंस डांस लाई हूँ. मैं ट्रेन डांसर तो नहीं हूँ, बट मैंने प्रैक्टिस की है थोड़ी सी डांस. सो मैं आप लोग के सामने प्रेजेंट करना चाहती हूँ. सो थैंक यू. जस्ट 2 मिनट मैम. मैंने
कनेक्ट कर लेंगे.
थैंक यू मैम.
Thank you, Varsha. Thank you so much.
Disconnected.
So next we have Varsha. Can you please mute yourself? So next we have Srija. Hi, Srija.
Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Srija Sarkar from the city of Joy, Kolkata. I'm a cabin crew by profession, and I'm really excited to be a part of Forever Mrs. India, as I believe by the end of this journey, I'll be able to rediscover myself, let go of all my inhibitions, and also add a lot of value to my life. Right now, I'm eyeing for the crown, definitely. And music is something that acts like a therapy to my life. And being a Bengali, I would feel really proud to sing a Bengali song. Thank you so much. যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি কেউ কথা না কয় ওরে ওরে ও ভাবা, কেউ কথা না কয়, যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফেরায় সবাই করে ভয়, যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফেরায় সবাই করে ভয়, তবে পরাণ খুলে তুই মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Srija. Thank you so much. Jury members,
thank you.
30 seconds past the scheduled time. So moving forward, we have Ankita. Hi, Ankita. Yeah.
Hi,
Good afternoon. Sorry, I didn't realize I was on mute. Hi, good afternoon, everyone, jury members and Harry ma'am and all the beautiful ladies that are competing with us and just showing such great talent. I mean, I just felt like someone is dancing and I'm feeling like dancing and someone's making food and I'm already hungry over here. So anyways, this was great. My name is Ankita Shetty. I am from Bombay and I recently moved to Pune. I am 30 years old, married for almost 8 to 9 years, and I was a cabin crew with Indigo Airlines and then with Jet Airways, and then I've shifted to Pune and I'm doing something of my own. And today, for as of something that of talent, it's not really a talent, but I just love dancing, cooking, and drawing. Not really painting, but I like drawing. So I just wanted to show a little bit of dance, and this is something uh, that I drew. I don't know if you can see it properly. So that's what I drew, and I would like to show the dance. May I go ahead now?
We cannot hear the music, Ankita.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Can you hear it now? Is it audible now?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Ankita. Thank you so much. Jury members, Ankita was 2 minutes past her scheduled time. So moving forward, let's hear it from Shweta. Hi, Shweta.
I'm really sorry. I did not realize my mic was off. Okay, so good evening, everyone. Okay, and I hope you all are doing safe and sound. Introducing myself, my name is Shweta and I'm 23. I am an assistant lecturer. I teach food production, which is a kitchen subject. Sorry, actually, I'm still in the office, so I'm really sorry for that if my voice was muted. So I just love cooking. And the second thing which I love is painting. I'm not carrying any painting with me. And I love dancing, but I'm still in office. I cannot do that. So I have prepared something for you all. I have, so I will have this thing of Shravan and we cannot eat onion and garlic. And I have that fast thing all around. So I have made fasting cupcakes. Have you heard of this? Like, can I show you? I just show you. Just wait for a second. So this is what I have made. I just want to decorate it for you guys. And this is something I have made with Singhare ka atta and Rajgir atta, which is gluten free. I could have used gluten, but I'm just gonna top it off with this choco chips. So this is something I have used a bit of cocoa powder, and this is my pineapple fudge. I actually and I will just give it a blend, a cut of apple, and this will be my mixed fruit one, and this will be my normal chocolate cupcake. So if you eat, it is a bit chewy because there's no gluten in it. So it's very good for someone who is on diet. And this is my gulab jamun cupcake. So I hope you like everything. Is it visible to everyone? So
Yes, it is.
So that was about me, and it is very, I'm very happy to see you all. Like everybody is dancing, and I was just feeling like my feet were moving, and I wanted to dance with you all. But it was really nice. Everybody was singing. I really loved it. So my motive of this competition or joining this competition is fulfilled when I see everyone is giving so much of efforts, and everybody's going to the best version of themselves. So just the purpose is served, and I'm really thankful to FCR for this opportunity. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, Shweta. Thank you so much. Do you remember Shweta was 1 minute past the scheduled time, and I guess this is the first time.
I cannot hear you.
Am I not audible, guys?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
So thank you so much, Shweta. I was just informing the jury members that you were 1 minute past your scheduled time. Also, I guess this is the first time probably I'm regretting the whole thing, being virtual, because I cannot eat the food that you guys are showing. But thank you so much. So moving forward, let's hear it from Pratima. Hi, Pratima. Okay, I guess she was facing some network issue. So next we have Sonam. Hi, Sonam. Sonam, can you please unmute yourself? Hi.
Hi, ma'am. Hi.
Yeah. Also Santosh Chauhan. Santosh ji, आपका round complete हो चुका है, talent round 1. आप एक गलत meeting में हैं. I would request you to leave the meeting. Thank you. Sonam, are we ready?
हाँ. I am Sonam. मैं कलकत्ता में रहती हूँ. मेरा उम्र 23 एज है. मैं एक प्रोफेशनल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हूँ. मैं एक प्रोफेशनल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हूँ और मेरा हॉबी है एक्टिंग, मॉडलिंग, मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, ब्यूटिशियन, हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट, नेल आर्ट्स एंड पेंटिंग. आई एम पेंटिंग टीचर्स एंड आई एम प्रोफेशनल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट. तो आज मैं मेरा कुछ पेंटिंग आप लोगों को दिखाना चाहती हूँ. आप लोगों का परमिशन मिली तो. इसके साथ साथ मेरा बचपन से स्टोरी या कोई शायरी लिखने का बहुत ज्यादा मन है, बहुत ज्यादा शौक है. तो इसीलिए मैं आज के लिए कुछ शायरी लिखी हूँ. तो मैम मैं शायरी बता सकती हूँ? छोटी सी जिंदगी में बड़ा सबक मिला. छोटी सी जिंदगी में बड़ा सबक मिला. रिश्ते सभी से रखना पर उम्मीद किसी से नहीं रखना. रिश्ते सभी से रखना पर उम्मीद किसी से नहीं मिला. एक बात तो सच है, कितना भी कर लो किसी के लिए, कितना भी कर लो किसी के लिए, आखिरी में यही सुनने को पड़ेगा, तुम किए क्या हो मेरे लिए. थैंक यू मैम. और एक शायरी मैं बताना चाहती हूँ। हाँ, बिगड़ते बिगड़ते सुलगते लम्हों का सिलसिला हूँ मैं, बिगड़ते सुलगते लम्हों का सिलसिला हूँ मैं, हजारों रात की मांगी हुई दुआ हूँ मैं, हजारों रात की मांगी हुई दुआ हूँ मैं। उजाले डरते हैं मुझसे नजरें मिलाने से, उजाले डरते हैं मुझसे नजरें मिलाने से, किसी गरीब कोठरी की दिया हूँ मैं। थैंक यू मैम। Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sonam. Jury members, Sonam was 50 seconds past her scheduled time. So Sonam, अपने आप को mute कर लीजिए and let me proceed to probably the last two people and the most patient ones so far. You know, it's very difficult to wait for your turn endlessly. So let's hear it from Bindu. Hi, Bindu.
Hi, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yeah. Hi, everyone. I'm Bindu Sharma, and I'm working in detective agency last 7 years, and I'm 30 years old. And actually, I really love to make videos like reels in Instagram, but due to some personal reason, I delete my account, and I'm not active in social media. So I just really love to sing a song like. Sorry. Okay, I start my song, ma'am. Can I? Okay. मेरे तो सारे सवेरे बाहों में तेरी ठहरे, मेरी तो सारी शामें तेरे साथ ढल रही हैं, मेरे तो सारे सवेरे बाहों में तेरी ठहरे, मेरी तो सारी शामें तेरे साथ ढल रही हैं, थोड़ा सा भी शक न करना, तुझसे मेरा जीना मरना, तुम चल रहे हो तो सांसें मेरे साथ चल रही हैं, ओ हम सफर, ओ हम नवा, बेशर्त मैं तेरा हुआ। थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you, Bindu. Thank you so much. So moving forward, the last candidate for the day would be Simridha. Hi, Simridha.
Hi, ma'am. Myself, Simrita. I'm so sorry for this. Today only I come back to my home. I'm done my shooting.
Go ahead.
So myself, Simrita. I'm from Tamil Nadu, in beautiful place of Chennai. I'm 23-year-old. I doing my shooting, photography and all. That's my hobby. And my passion is I'm singing song in 5 languages. Can you hear me? I can't hear you.
Simridha, it's your turn to speak. I won't be speaking. Please go ahead. We can hear you.
Okay. Ma'am, my network is very low. Wait.
Harry, we can continue if the candidate is not able to connect.
Okay, so I guess that was the last candidate for the day we had. So, all right, ladies, thank you so much for putting up such a wonderful show across. And I'm sure you must have realized how much potential do you guys hold. And of course, you have explored and gone, out of your ways to present yourself today. So now I request the experts, the jury members, to take over and give us some advice and tips and tricks on how to go about further. So I'd like to start with Kirti ma'am. Over to you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay. Yes, Pranali, tell me.
Ma'am, you were saying my video was stuck, then it was done or not?
Sorry?
Hello, ma'am.
Anji?
You were saying my video was stuck, then it was done or not?
Pranali's video. Okay, so Kirti ma'am, how do we go about it?
No, Pranali, we are done.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Your presentation is done, do not worry. Yes?
Thank you so much for the confirmation. Over to you, ma'am.
All right. First of all, hello to everyone and congratulations to each one of you on successfully appearing for your talent round 1, right? This is just your second step towards this journey of becoming Forever Miss and Forever Mrs. India 2021. You already appeared for your audition. Now, you got training from the experts so that, you could prepare yourselves in the best way possible for this talent round 1. So I, must say that most of you seemed pretty confident to me. A few things were lagging here and there, which I will point out right now. But then all of you seemed confident and, prepared for the event today, prepared for your talent round today. One thing that I found missing was your time limit. I fail to understand if all of you are attending your training sessions and Harry as a host is always there to help you out with your queries. She has been taking the question and answer sessions. She has been there with you after the training sessions to answer all your queries. So you have to understand that time is the most important thing. Why do we say that you should keep your time limit in mind? Because 90 seconds agar time limit nahi hoti, to yahan pe, we could have been sitting for the whole day. Yeah, so it really matters. It is a small thing. कि मैं 90 seconds से मैंने सिर्फ 1 minute ही तो cross किया है. 90 seconds से मैंने 2 minutes ही तो cross किया है, ma'am. But it matters. It does matter, and it shows that how attentive you are, how you understand the importance of time. It completely shows that, right? It shows that how disciplined you are. So with 90 seconds से 10-20 seconds ऊपर नीचे होता है, still, it can be considered. But 2 minutes above 90 seconds, I mean, how's that possible? Did you even prepare? जिसने 2 minute cross किया है अपना time limit, did you guys even prepare for this talent round? I don't think so. Plan. Planning is the key to it. Prioritize. I'm sorry, it's not on mute right now. Okay. Planning is the key to it all. आप 90 seconds में सब कुछ नहीं दिखा सकते हो. You cannot sing, dance, show your pictures and everything. It will be very chaotic. You have to plan, you have to prioritize that what is it that you should portray here, virtually on the screen in 90 seconds so that you can fetch the maximum marks, so that you can impress people, right? So that's how it is. 90 seconds ka pura utilization aapko karna hai. Secondly, that keep your spirits high. Yeah, do not feel disheartened once you're done कि oh ये नहीं हो पाया, इसमें ये गड़बड़ हो गई. So yes, that totally shows that you were not prepared. But अगर अभी नहीं हो पाया, let me tell you, you have 2 more chances. आपके पास 2 और chances हैं. First, आपका talent round हो चुका है. In your talent round second, you are going to show us your makeup skills. The trainer is going to train you for the same. In your talent round 3, a ramp walk expert is going to train you. So you'll actually show us that how do you do a ramp walk with sheer confidence. So all of this is going to help you in building up your confidence, so that when you become a winner at city, state or national level, and when you're walking down that stage during the grand finale, imagine what's that feeling going to be like. But that requires your blood and sweat. बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत लगेगी उसमें. So please be very attentive during your training sessions. That's what my suggestion is. Rest, everyone, was good. The cooks and chefs, you totally ruled the show today. And as Harry said, that the time is such that all of us were feeling hungry, looking at those pictures, looking at those cute cupcakes that you made. So yes, all the best from my side. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. Thank you. Neha, could you please mute yourself? This is something that you guys need to realize, that eventually it fluctuates the speaker view. Please be very conscious of your mics. Once your mic is on, and eventually you guys do not end up reading the chat box. I have texted you thrice that please mute yourself, but that is what shows your lack of attention. आपको अपना chat box, अपना attention बहुत ही smartly maintain करना होगा, because I'm sure you would not appreciate that while you are speaking as well. So please keep that into note. And now I'd request Chitra to take over.
Hello everyone, and today you are done with your first round, and I completely understand, we completely understand that some of you must have experienced this entire feeling of presenting yourself in front of the camera, in front of so many people. So you must have been a little apprehensive, you must have been insecure, you must have been scared. So there would be a mix of emotions, but understand that you have to build up your mental strength. You can't portray yourself this weak or this vulnerable at this point of time on this platform, because this is Miss India and Mrs. India. Look at other participants, they look at the way they present themselves, that finesse, that style, that class. It has to come from you. You all are given a lot of training for that, and trust me, you have to be picking up things from there. Otherwise you will come across as a very negligent and very underconfident participant, and in future stages, because the trainings once done will not be repeated. Okay, so be very sincere in your trainings and take care of technical aspect. It distracts everyone, it disturbs the flow. See, this is your first round. These things are going to happen with you all. So don't get discouraged with the feedback. Rather, take it as a learning from today, all of you all. We are not here to, put any of you all down. We are here to encourage you all. But the feedback, if it is coming, please take that positively. Next, speak from the core. Rat ke mat aao. Andar se bolo. Tell about yourself. Why you want to read it? Do you need to read to tell about yourself anywhere? Then, see, these are the observations that I'm sharing, because you need to keep these in mind for future rounds. Otherwise, they will cost you those marks. And be authentic. Put it very attractively. You don't need to put the whole talent bouquet in 190 seconds. And this is the consequence of this, that you all are crossing your time. Imagine if everybody is crossing the time, what will happen, and how much it will, get piled up in the end for the, judges and even for other people. So take care of these things. Next time, preparation is the key. And if person like Kirti Chaudhary is saying, please, this should not happen next time ever with this batch. Take a note of these things. Right? Over to you, Harry.
Thank you, Chitra. Thank you so much. And now I request Smita to take over.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Definitely this COVID has taught us too many new things, and definitely the virtual thing is the new one. We are not comfortable. Each one of us here, we are not comfortable. We are not used to it. But remember, you're here for some reason. Never forget that reason. When you're speaking, don't give justification. Yeah, I don't know whether my performance will be better. You're here for that reason. Remember that always. Make your own place. Look for the surrounding. As Kirti and Chitra also said, many of you were not keeping your mic off, so that distracts. So please take care of your surrounding. definitely time is a major thing. Don't read, as Chitra said. Definitely if your guests are coming at your place, definitely you're not going to cook 20 to 25 items there. You're going to take the best 4 to 5 items for those guests. Similarly, select those best items out of yourself. What are those 4 qualities, 3 qualities that you would like to show? So that will make you fix to the time. So remember these points for your second and third round. And we all are sure by that time you will get adjusted to this small stage and you will do wonders. Good luck for your second and third round.
Thank you so much, ladies, for your very, very peaceful advices. Much appreciated. I'm sure the contestants are nodding and learning as and while you speak. So thank you so much for being here with us today, and I shall take your leave. Have some parting words with the participants. All right, ladies, this brings us to the end of the show, and I'm sure you have learned a lot, you have realized a lot, because क्या होता है जब तक ट्रेनिंग चल रही होती है, you take things lightly, but जब एग्जाम होता है तो उसके अंदर जब माइनस और जब कम मार्क्स मिलते हैं तब जाके हिट करता है कि जब कोई कुछ समझाता है तो
अरे तू बाकी मार्क्स में जाओ मां इरकम करो ना एक लो ते रकम है ना मां
सोनम, can you please mute yourself? सोनम, आप अपने आप को म्यूट कर लीजिए. आप जो बात कर रही हैं वो हमें भी सुनाई दे रही है, 25 लोगों को और. ठीक है, जस्ट अ सेकंड गाइस.